Hello guys, welcome to Generation Unravel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can delete a playlist on YouTube. So what we need to do now is head over to our YouTube app by heading here. So to find your playlist, you head over here to the library, and then you'll see here the playlist that you have. And now what we want to do is delete one of these. And it's not really that complicated if you want to, but usually the playlists that you can delete are ones that is created by us. But so like playlists like these that are not part of my channel, they're gonna stay there. I mean, I can delete them, but I can remove them from my channel, but this is important. So if you want to delete playlists, just choose one of the playlists that you want to delete, click on the triple lines over here and then click on delete. And good thing, because like all of these things are actually useless to me now. I'm just gonna delete all of these, and you can see playlist delete appears on the screen. Just reload your YouTube. If you head over back to playlist again, those should be gone, and that's it. That is how you delete playlists on YouTube. I hope this video helped you. Like, comment, subscribe if it did. This is Generation Unravel. See you in the next one. Bye bye.